Namaste friends, welcome to Gyanvit channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about top 3 large cap funds and what is the justification behind our ranking. If you are new to the channel, we request you kindly subscribe, press the bell icon so you will get notification about our next videos in this area. So today let us see how we could find top 3 large cap funds which performed best in last 10 years. So we have considered their 1 year, 2 year, 5 years, 3 years, 10 years performance. Also their SIP returns as well. So don't skip this video in between, watch it till the end. What are the large cap mutual funds? Do they always invest only in large cap companies? Answer is no. So what happens here? The maximum fund allocation will be in large cap companies. So those will be mostly the top 100 companies in the market. But there could be a small proportion which can be invested in mid cap and small cap also as per the fund manager's study. What are the benefits of large cap funds? It will comparatively have less risk than mid cap and small cap funds. It will have less volatility as it is investing in top 100 companies. It will be able to tackle bull and bear market effectively. Who should opt to invest in large cap funds? Mostly the investor who want to be in market for long term. They have long term targets. Also, the investors should have the ability to sustain in market ups and down. They should not be fearful of the down market. Also, if you want to get better returns that can beat the inflation rate, large cap funds could be an answer. If you're not able to build your own stock portfolio in the market, then it is better you can opt to invest in the large cap. As I mentioned, we'll help you to find top 3 large cap funds. So here are the criteria which we have used to evaluate all these funds. First thing, these companies should be there or these schemes should be there in the market for at least 10 years. Then we have compared their 10 years returns, also the 5-year returns, 3 years, 2 years and even 1 year returns. We have done all the comparisons and then we arrived at the conclusion. In addition, we have checked these funds SIP returns for 10 years. We have evaluated their expense ratio also. Also the CRISIL ranking. So we have opted for best funds for your investment. Based on our earlier list of criteria, we found around 12 funds which could be compared and evaluated for the best 3 of them. So one of them is the Axis Blue Chip Funds, then BNP Paribas also has, Canara Robeco, Edelweiss Large Cap, Franklin India, IDBI India Top 100, Kotak Blue Chip, Mira Asset Large Cap, Nippon India, SBI Blue Chip, Tata Large Cap, and UTI Master Share Unit Scheme. So these are the funds which were the shortlisted, and among them we tried to find the best 3. From this list of 12 funds, we found top 3, but be watching this video till end because these are not the final winners. So we have here Canara Robeco Blue Chip Equity Fund, Kotak Blue Chip Fund and Mira Asset Large Cap Funds. These are just alphabetically arranged, so these are not the rank what we have arrived at. So we compared these 3 companies chart for 1 month and compared it with Nifty 50 also. So let us see. If you see this graph, you can see here the Mira Asset is leading one, but all these funds are beating the Nifty 50. Next, we compared it with the 6-month chart. Here you can see clearly the competition is tougher and all these 3 funds have beaten Nifty 50 returns. But here the winner is different. Earlier it was Mira Asset, now it is Kotak Blue Chip. When compared with 1-year chart, the competition is even tougher. But you can see here, Kotak Blue Chip has given almost 48% returns compared to the Canara Robeco and Mira Asset. But friends, the best time to invest in stock market is forever. This is what Warren Buffett said about his best stocks. Similar thing is applicable for mutual fund investment also. So now we should not believe for 1 month, 6 months or 1 year chart. It is better always to compare for long term. So let's see, when we compare the 5 year chart for all these three funds, even here we have seen all of these three have beaten the Nifty 50 chart, but the topper was Canara Robeco for 5 years. So let's move ahead to evaluate on the other criterias. In this chart, we are comparing with their 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 year and 10 year returns. Also their CRISIL rank and their AUM, that is the asset worth. So biggest fund here is the Mira Asset Large Cap. You can see here the 10-year return is maximum for this fund. But when we compare 1 year return or the 3 years, so this is not the top company. So here you can see that the performance varies little bit. If you want to review this in detail, you can pause this video for a few seconds and then take a look at this chart in detail. Now we have seen the SIP performance of all these funds for last 10 years. So you have seen here, we have taken one example. Monthly, had you invested around 100 rupees, so total your investment would have been 12,000. So who is the winner here? So here we are seeing the Mira asset has given the highest return, and the list was around the Kotak Blue Chip. But one of our criteria was to evaluate around expense ratio also. So let's see who is doing better here. So here if you see, we have mentioned the direct as well as the regular fund expense ratio charges. Indirect, the Canara Robeco is charging the least one, just 0.42% per annum, right? And Kotak here is charging little bit higher, but you can take it as per your belief in that specific fund. Also, please note that the cheap expense ratio doesn't always mean the best performance. So you need to evaluate on the other factors also. So based on these factors, which are our top three performers here? Let's take a look. At third place, we are seeing Kotak Blue Chip Fund. Then second place, it is coming Canara Robeco Blue Chip Equity Fund. And Mira Asset Large Cap Fund has grabbed the first spot. But the video doesn't end it here. So please watch it till the end. So we have found here top three large cap funds. But is it always good to go ahead, believe on this one and invest in these funds? Or what is the best strategy to get maximum on investment? So first thing is that you should match your risk ability and then choose the right type of fund and the right mutual fund scheme. Then you should always take advice from your investment advisor. You can choose to opt SIP, so your investment will be systematic. If in case you have large amount at this time, you can put in debt fund and gradually you can move this as a STP to the large cap funds. You should have a diversification. Either you can divide your amount in different types of schemes or different schemes of the same. So we'll have other videos also. You will get the link, so please subscribe. Also, you should think about long term. Never think of a short term horizon when you are investing in stock market or mutual funds. And it is advised you always invest only that much amount which you don't need in the shorter term. Will come with many such videos for your investment information. So request you to please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you will get notification for our next videos. Thank you very much. Dhanyavad.